Hello friends, today we are going to discussing about problems on averages. Now we will see the first question. The average age of 31 students is 11.5. If the teacher is included, the average age is increased by 2. What is the age of teacher? Now this question, if I am going to solve in a traditional way, it will take time. Now I am going to solve this question in smart way. Now you can see on the screen the average age of 31 students is 11.5. If the teacher is included, the average was increased by 2. Previously it was 11.5. So by including the teacher average, now the average is 13.5. Now take the left hand side difference. The difference between 31 and 32 is 1. And also take the difference between the right hand side also. The difference between 11.5 and 13.5 is plus 2. Now multiply left hand side difference with right hand side bottom number and right hand side difference with left hand side top number. Now the answer is 1 into 13.5 plus 2 into 31 equal to 75.5. Now we will see the next question. 2 years ago, the average of a family of 5 members was 17 years. A baby having been born, the average age of the family is the same today. The present age of the baby is. Now follow the same procedure. In a family, the average age of 5 members is 17 years. At present, the average age is 17 plus 2 because 2 years ago it was 17, but at present it was 19 years. When a new baby born in the family, the total number is 6. Now we can see in the question, the average age of the family is same today. So it means that even the baby born, the average was not changed. So the average is 17. Now follow the same procedure. Here the left hand side difference is 1 and the right hand side the difference is minus 2. Here the sign is very important. Now multiply left hand side difference with right hand side bottom number and right hand side difference with left hand side top number. Now the answer is plus 1 into 17, 5 into minus 2 equal to 7. Now the age of the baby is 7 years. Now we will see the next question. PQRS. Average is 15. If T joins, the average is increased by 1. What is the age of T? Now follow the same procedure. PQRS means 4 members. 4 members average is 15. So if T joins, the average is increased by 1. Now the new average is 16. Now we need to calculate the age of T. Now the left hand side difference is 1 and right hand side difference is also 1. Now multiply left hand side difference with right hand side bottom number and right hand side difference with left hand side top number. Now the answer is 1 into 16 plus 1 into 4 equal to 20. Now the age of T is 20 years. Now we will see the next question. There are 50 students in a class. Their average weight is 45 kg. When one student leaves the class, the average weight reduces by 500 grams. What is the weight of the student who left the class? Now follow the same procedure. Left hand side difference is minus 1 and right hand side difference is minus 0.5. Here 500 grams means 0.5 kg. Now multiply left hand side difference with right hand side bottom number and right hand side difference with left hand side top number. Now the answer is minus 1 into 44.5 minus 0.5 into 50 equal to 69.5. Here ignore the negative sign. Now the weight of the student who left the class is 69.5 kg. Now we will see the next question. The average of 35 students of a class is 27 years. When a student leaves the class, the average is increased by 6 months. What is the age of the student who left the class? Now follow the same procedure. Now the left hand side difference is minus 1 because when a student leaves the class, now the total number of students in the class is 34 and right hand side difference is 0.5, because in the question it was said that the average is increased by 6 months. 6 months means 6 by 12, so it means 0.5 years. Now multiply left hand side difference with right hand side bottom number and right hand side difference with left hand side top number. Now the answer is minus 1 into 27.5 plus 0.5 into 35. Now the answer is 10 years. So the age of the student who left the class is 10 years. Now we will see the next question. The average weight of a group of boys is 30 kg. After a boy of weight 40 kg joins the group, the average weight of the group is increased by 0.5 kg. Find the number of boys in the group originally. In previous questions, originally the number of boys is given, but in this question, the number of boys is not given, even though follow the same procedure. So in the question, the number of boys is not given, so I taken as n. So for n students, the average weight is 30. After a boy joins in the group, the average weight of the group is increased by 0.5. Now the left hand side difference is plus 1 and right hand side difference is plus 0.5. Now multiply left hand side difference with right hand side bottom number and right hand side difference with left hand side top number. If you multiply, you will get 30.5 plus 0.5n. Now this equation is equal to weight of the boy, because the change is because of boys joining the group. Now if I solve the equation, the number of boys in the group is 19. Now the answer is 19. Now we will see the next question. The average age of 50 students of a class is 15 years. When 10 new students are admitted, the average 10 is increased by 0.5. What is the age of new student is? Now follow the same procedure. Initially the number of students is 50. When 10 new students are admitted, now the total number of students is 60. Now the left hand side difference is plus 10 and right hand side difference is plus 0.5, because initially it was 15 years. After 10 students admitting, the average is increased by 0.5 years. Now multiply left hand side difference with right hand side bottom number and right hand side difference with left hand side top number. If we multiply, now the answer is 180. This 180 is for 10 students. Now in the question it was asked for only for one student. Now the answer is 180 by 10 is 18 years. Now the average of the new student is 18 years. Okay, thank you friends. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section and please like the video, and for more interesting videos, please subscribe to my channel.